You are going to learn how to create unique, stunning professional logos in just one click that you can turn into a profitable business in today's video. So you're welcome.
Welcome to KCK, where dreams take flight. Making money online, tech and sights so bright. Subscribe and stay, let's journey on. Together we'll shine from dusk till dawn.
So we are going to be using Canva to design our beautiful logos, and we are going to be using Canva's new feature known as Dreamlab. So like you can see, I've already gone through it and I've generated different logo styles like you can see, but it doesn't end here. I want to share with you guys different tips and techniques that are going to keep you ahead of everyone. So this is why you need to watch this video till the end so you can grab all the tips and techniques and use them to your own advantage. So first we need to come up with prompt ideas, and for that we are going to be using the help of ChatGPT. So since I'm not targeting a specific company, I'm just going to make everything generic, but in your case you can specify and include all the details that you'd like your prompt to entail. For example, it can be from the company's name, the company's colors, the different elements that you want involved with the logo. So all you have to do is to make sure that you mention everything while you're giving ChatGPT a command, and it will come up with better results for you with better prompts that you can use. Okay, so here is an example of the prompt that I gave ChatGPT. It says, give me 10 different prompts ideas to generate stunning logos. You can include neon LED light strips to some prompts and other best styles. Use different elements, colors, and styles for each prompt. And like you can see, here are the different results that ChatGPT came up with. I'll be sharing some of these in the description down below if you want to try them out. And these are very exact ones that we are going to be using to generate our beautiful logos. So, but I didn't end there. So what I did is I wanted to switch up things a little bit. So again, I told ChatGPT, now generate for me 5 more with animals because I wanted something different. And like you can see, ChatGPT gave me different ideas, and we are going to be trying out some of these, like I mentioned to you guys earlier on, like you can see. So you just have to keep on giving ChatGPT, the command that you want. You have to include everything you want, and ChatGPT will do all the work for you. So now that we have all the ideas, we are just going to go and choose one specific one that we are going to start working with. So I think we should start with number 4, which says bold 3D metallic logo. So all we are going to do is to highlight this, and then we are going to copy it. Then we are going to go over to Canva and we are going to paste it over there like I'm going to show you. Back to Canva, you're going to choose the Dreamlab option down here on your left. Then you'll be good to go. It's going to bring you to this interface over here. So what you have to do first is to change the aspect ratio and make sure that you have the right measurements. So for the logo, we are going to go with 1:1, and there is different options that you can go through over here and you can try out. For example, there is this 3D render. It gives amazing results for a logo, but for now we are going to stick with smart option over here. And like you can see, there is also this button over here which allows you to reference on different styles and images, and I'll show you how this one works as we move forward. Okay, so what we are going to do first is to come over here, and then we are going to paste in our prompt that we got from ChatGPT, like you can see. So now you're just going to click on the create button, and that way it's going to generate for us our beautiful logos, and we can see how they've come out once they're ready. So here are the results that they've generated for us. These are good, but they're not giving what I'm looking for. So I'm going to try to first change the color. That's the first thing I'm going to do, and we see if we can have better results. So I'm going to change it from silver to something like electric blue, and let's see what we get. So still, I didn't like the results I got. So I'm just going to try a different prompt. So let me go and collect another one from ChatGPT, and we see if we can have something better. The other prompt is just not giving, what I'm looking for, like I said before. Okay, so I'm just going to paste this over here, and I'll click on create to see if we can have better results. So these are the results, and I personally believe these are better than the previous ones, and they're not perfect, but we can fix these. For example, the background, we can fix the text as well. Yes, we can fix the text, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. We can change the background color to whatever color we want. And the other thing is that since this is AI, sometimes it's not going to have everything right, but once you train it continuously, you're going to start getting perfect text. So let's first try out a few more designs before I show you a detailed way of editing your finished designs like I promised you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to paste this over here and I'll click on create. Yo guys, these are the results and they came out really well, like you can see. So I'll leave the prompts in the description down below if you want to try them out to have similar results. Okay, so let's move forward. I want to show you something different. But before we continue, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and let's proceed. So now I want us to look at how the star reference button works. So you're just going to click on add image over here. So you'll click on style reference, okay? But before you do that, make sure that you have the right prompt that you want to use, entered over here, okay? So like you can see, this is the prompt we are going to be using. If you already surpassed the prompt, for example, let me say it's the swan prompt you want to use, and it's already below, you can just click up here like this, and like you can see, it will automatically surface on this screen over here. But in this case, I want to use this one for the lion, so I'm just going to click on that, and like you can see, it automatically switches to this prompt. So after that, you're just going to click on the add image button over here. You will click on style reference. So if the image you want to reference on is on your desktop, you can just upload it from here. And you can also use from this, you can select from the recent generations, okay? And this is what we are going to do in this particular case. So I'm just going to click on that just like that, and they're going to bring me the different styles that we've been creating. So I'm just going to go through those, and we are going to select a particular one that we want to use as our reference. Like you can see, this is taking a second, okay? So let's want to reference it perhaps to this one. Okay, let's use this. Okay, you're just going to click on it just like that, and like you can see, it tells you use image. So you're going to click on the use image button just like that. So it's going to appear over here, and you're going to click on create. So it's going to give you images that are related to the image that you referenced it to. Okay, hopefully that makes sense, guys. These are the final results, but I want us to do it one more time to see if you guys are got the concept. So let me try the flamingo this time around. This is the prompt we are going to be using, and I'm just going to remove that. Then I'm going to click on add image, click on style reference. I'll select from the recently generated images, and I'll choose a particular one that I want to use. This time around, I want us to reflect on the swan. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and then I'll click on use image. Then I'm going to click on create to see the results we are going to have. So these have come out really great, and like you can see, they have colors of the image that we used as our style reference. So now we've seen how it works with logos without text, but what if we put our focus on completely text? Okay, so I went back to ChatGPT and I gave it another prompt that says generate me a prompt to design a juice company logo called KCK Juice Bar. So this is the prompt that ChatGPT came up with. I'm just going to highlight this and I'll copy it. Then I'm going to use this in Dreamlab. So I want to see if this tool can give us good results with the text written correctly. So I'm just going to click on create and see what results we are going to have. So here are the results, and if you look properly, all of these three The words came out really well, except for the first one. They gave us a double I. Okay, so this is not so bad, but I believe this AI can generate even better results because I've used it since it was launched, and I like the results I usually get with it. So if you're not happy with the results, you can always go back and regenerate to get better results. Like I told you, the more you train this AI, the better results you get. So this is our second generation, and like you can see, it tried to do a good job, and I think I like this one in particular, but I don't like the color, and I'm going to show you how we can fix that. Like you can see, it tried to write the words really well, but this doesn't look good for a logo. And this as well, it wrote the words really well, but it's not something you can use for a logo. And same goes for this one. The C, I'm not sure about that. So we can fix these. If you like a particular style, for example, if you like this or this one, we can fix any of these that you want to use. So I think we should use this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the edit option over here. But before we do that, I want to mention something to you. If you're certain with your design and you want it, you can just click on the download button over here, and then you can download your design onto your device. But now we are going to go ahead and edit this design in Canva. So you're just going to click on edit, and it's going to bring you inside Canva's design, just like you can see. So now we are going to start with the background. Like I said, I don't like this background. So you're simply going to click on BG remover, just like that, and voila, the background is going to be erased, just like you can see. So if you want to change the color of the background, you can just click on the background, and then you click on the color option over here. They'll bring you the different colors available, so you can try the different ones and see if you like them on your design or not. So this is how you change your background color. So next we are going to detach our image and text so it's not as one, like you can see. So to do that, we are going to click on edit, and then we are going to look for the text, grab text. Okay, grab text option over here. So you're going to click on that, and like you can see, it automatically grabs the text. So you can click on it, or you can just click on click text. Then after that, you're just going to click on grab, just like that. And now, like you can see, you can easily move the image around just like that. You can also go ahead to change the font style by highlighting it. Okay, I want to highlight everything. Okay, so you're just going to highlight everything just like that, and you can click over here, and then you'll choose any font style you want to use. Let's choose a random one. So there is that. So like you can see, it automatically changes. You can do the same thing for the color as well. You can change the font color. So let's say we want the upper one to be like maybe red. So we are going to go and find a red color, and I'm just going to keep that in red. Then you can go ahead and also edit the juice bar to a different color. Okay, so let's say maybe we want it in a blue. So you're just going to go find the blue color and just click on it just like that. And like you can see, everything automatically changes. You can go ahead to add effects to your design. From here, you can choose an effect you want to use. Let's say we want to use this one over here. Like you can see, you can go ahead and change. Perhaps we want the outside to be maybe let's say green. So I'm just choosing randomly right now. Okay, let's say blue. Okay, I want it to be blue or black. Let's go with black. I think black will look better. So like you can see, it's automatically changed to this style, like you can see. So you can go ahead also to increase on the effect thickness, just like that. Like you can see, the more you move it, the thicker it gets, like you can see. So there is all of those options that you can try out, but I think I like the first one better. So I'm just going to remove all of these, and maybe I'll change the alignment of the juice bar. I just want it to be centered, so I'm going to try to move it just like that. So I think it looks good there. So I've also decided to change the upper font to orange. Now, what if you want to move the image instead? What are you going to do this time around? So once again, you're going to click on the edit button over here. And then this time you're going to click on magic grab. Okay. So after that, you're just going to click on brush. Then you can put it to the size you think it's appropriate for you to use. Then all you're going to do is to move it. Okay. And grab the entire image like this. like that. Then after that, you're just going to click on grab, just like we did with the first one, and it's going to be able for you to move it around, okay, like we did with the text. So like you can see now, it's movable. Okay, from here you can do anything you want to do with it. If you want to delete it, you can go ahead and delete it and replace it with another design, or you want to make it smaller, and perhaps you just have two of these designs on the corners. You can do anything you want with it from here, and just be creative as an individual, like you can see. Okay, so let's go back. I think the previous one looked better. So now all that is left of us is to download our design for personal use or to share it with our clients and start making money. But I chose other designs from the creations we made, and I just want to give you guys a quick run through so that you can give me your thoughts in the comment section down below. Okay, so now to save our design, since I have many right now, I have many pages. We only want to save the first one. Okay, so are you just going to click on the design, and then you're going to click on share. So you're going to click on the download button, and here is the thing: if you want to download this design with a transparent background, you can just click on transparent, just like that, and that way you're only going to have the design, you won't have the background, the white background behind. Okay, so now you're going to click on the download, but over here, since I have many pages, you have to choose the specific one that you want to download. If you want all 10 of them, you can do that, but in this case we only want to download the first one. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck all the pages, and then I'll choose the current page, just like that. Then like you can see, it automatically selects only the current page. So now you're going to click on done, and then you will click on download once again, and that way your design is going to save on your device. That's all I had for you guys for today's video. And since you enjoyed this video, I know you're going to like this particular one as well. So you can click on it, and then you take all the information that is in that video as well. Thank you so much. If you haven't liked the video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one. Bye.